well, since I ended up spending a little bit of time in the town and looking at the history and the gorgeous buildings that are preserved, wow, and then, you know, reading up on some of the buildings, finding some murals, then finding some old just writings, I was like, okay, so welcome to Oakesdale. I needed a good opener for my, this is as I'm headed out of town, because again, I thought I was just going to pass through the town, and what a great little town. Check it out. I mean, everybody was really nice I talked to. If you love old buildings, just walk around town. Oakesdale, Oregon. It's another cute little town. A lot of old buildings. There's the post office there in that middle. You can see up there on that building. That's pretty cool. Past another sign. I think I caught it, but I'm going to go around now, and I'm seeing more here. It's the old drugstore. GAP Saloon. Oh, alright, well, you know, you used to be able to buy. And there's that corner there. I'm trying to keep out the sun. And then there's just a lot of brick buildings here. There's something right here, too. I'll look at that mural again, because I just caught something out of my eye. It was really cool. Ooh, my old sign. Oh, good. What's this old farm? Equipment. A bunch of people over there on that other side that are. So I wanna, you know me, introvert. Antiquing, birdwatching, RV camping, and photography. The Thru Scenic Byway. Activities along Scenic Byway. And then there's a map. You see that? I don't know if a shadow or anything. And we are here. Perrin Mill. Where is that? It's said to be the most well-preserved flour mill. I have to look at that one up. And then I don't know what this building is. Excuse me. Excuse me. What was this building?
It was a gas station.
Where the pumps?
That was in the early 1900s.
Oh, okay.
See the hoist here?
Yeah, I just noticed it when I came around. I was over there, but okay, all right, yeah. I've always passed through here, well, ever since I was little, and then I was like trying to think, and I'm like, I'm in a video because I saw that, and I thought, well, gosh, there's, you know.
Yeah.
Driving around having some time today.
Pretty small for a gas station.
Well, you know, some of them were just pop up like, yep, so that's.
Yeah. It had the pump that used to, you pump the gallons in the deal and you see how many gallons it had. And
well, where's that pump? That'd be fun to see.
I don't know, it was long gone here quite a few years
gotcha.
ago. So.
All right.
Yeah.
Well, yeah, I always like, it was always like, I wonder what that building was. Because, I mean, some of them still have their, you know, and then I'm like, okay, I'll make my way around and see if you're not busy chatting and I can ask you. And I'm like, cool, all right. Well, thanks. All right, guys, so this was a gas station. I thought it was like a telegraph office over the years, and I couldn't remember when I was a kid and I passed through here what was here. But the gas station, he said there's where the hoist to lift the cars. I had to come around the corner, and then in the back you saw the, looks like it doesn't have a roof. Oh, it does, right there. Very cool. See, I just had to stop and ask. And I caught someone. It's watering the flowers. They're really pretty. Look at those flowers. So this one is the Oakesdale Restaurant Lounge, also apartments. It don't look like people live up there. It looks like it's being remodeled up, actually, if you can see through the windows. And yeah, downstairs says keep out, but I'm not gonna go looking in windows. And this was oh, see, there's that sun. That's why I tried to stay in here. That right there looks like some type of service station. You see the door, and then here's your reference, that drugstore that was also a saloon. And you know, back in the day, a good shot of something could cure all ailments. Let me go see what else I can find. This town's really, like, since I talked to him after I cut the video off too, it's got some history. Now that they all left out in front of that, I wanted to try to give you a good shot of what that looks. So there's the building on the farthest right. I have no idea what I could guess that to be. The other one right now says it's a post office. The next one, and then another one said, which I couldn't catch because I was at the other corner, it says Galleon Press. And that's across the street from the apartment slash, I can't remember what the other building was. Just like giving you some reference points around. Oh good, I found a service station. I am in Oakesdale, Oregon, and I'm needing gas. Let's go. This one says it's the Richfield. Wait, what? Huh? No. What? They're closed. There's not even any pubs. Well, it didn't come up on the GPS, but I was the first thing I saw. Richfield, I saw, well, you know, maybe something over here is better. So right there is, I'm still in Oakesdale. Oakdale. I'm gonna stop now. I have not had enough coffee. So this is the Richfield, and I'm gonna guess it was the Richfield service station because there's 2 bays, pumps, but it's like catty corner from that what was a gas station, which looked way older of a service station. So maybe, but they could have, you know, the other one was just a service station. Then I'm not sure that building. I'm gonna look that up and we'll try to get some info on that. My GPS is not showing me what the building is. Let me pause and I'll go on the other, just right here. So now this is just probably Fraternal Hall, so. And then right down there's a concrete building, which reminds me always of like where like a dealership would be. And there's the bays, they can show the show cars there. There's the offices. Ooh, BB, go away. All right. And then here is another one, and it's got a fancy door opening, and maybe that had huge windows, I don't know, or that could be a playhouse. It's next to, which is their mural, and those buildings with the post office, which is on that corner down. I'll pass right in front of the van and stuff, you can't see it really. Is where I was talking to the gentleman about the building that was, which was a gas station, and it was a teeny tiny one probably. But then over here, I'll pause it again. I'd say that they're the mechanic shop in town, service station, you know. I can just imagine cars coming in and out of this building. All right, let's go look around some more. I love that their buildings are, yeah, they just look like they're just waiting for love and attention. This is the Barron Mill. It is known to be one of the ones that's the most well preserved in eastern Washington, or maybe it's all of Washington. What else was the history? It's on the sign that I don't know when it'll be in this video, or I might just do this video by itself, because look at that beauty here in Oakesdale, Washington. Oh my gosh, Oakesdale, Washington. I was saying California all day yesterday. Oakesdale, Washington. The flour mill. It is part of only 19 of them between the 1800s and the 1900s were built. And this is one of the ones that are the most preserved. And if I hung out in Washington more, I'd actually go hunting for all of those, because I love old buildings and old structures. And even if I can't get in them, I can just imagine the people that went in and out of it. And it was busy, and the old cars going, Yeah, these old towns are just so fun to go around and just kind of imagine the history here, the life that was here. That's why I like to visit the cemeteries when I go to one too, which I'm going to try to find. P.L. Crawford Druggist. Wheat Mana? Okay, well, there was a drugstore over there across from the post office. It was the saloon. So when did this one come? There's the McCoy Valley Museum, so I must be in McCoy Valley, of course, which I didn't know. I just know this is Oakesdale, which is out of Gatico, which comes out of the reservation, which I was at. I don't know if I showed the rest of the building, but again, like all these buildings here in this town are very well maintained. It's very cool, very cool. I don't know the population here.